friends, and welcome back to our channel and a new Python tutorial video. And in this video we are going to compare list, tuple and set, which we learned in the past videos. So I didn't clearly explain the differences of these two, but in this video I am going to explain the differences. So let's open IDLE. So the first difference is that list is mutable, means we can change the values, and it support item assignment, while tuple and set are immutable. They cannot change values and they cannot support item assignment. Let me show you. So we'll create a list L equal to and also there is a syntax difference that list uses square brackets, tuple uses parentheses, and set uses curly brackets. So I'm making a list. So this is my list, and I want to change 90 to, let's say, 76. So I'll say L, and the index number of 90 is 1 equal to 76. So we changed it. If you want to check it again, you can check. See, we got 98, 76, 56 and 40. But in tuple and set we cannot. Let's make a tuple. Let's say we'll use parentheses. I gave a space which was not necessary. We created a tuple. Now I want to change 78, which is to 90. Let's see if it can happen. Of course it will not, because it's immutable. 78 index number is 0 and equal to 90. See, we got tuple object does not support item assignment, so we cannot change values. Let's also check for set, as I already told you. We use curly brackets, and I added an extra comma. My bad. We got a set. Now I want to change 98 to 67, which is not possible, but we'll try. 98 is index number 1 equal to, let's give another number, let's say 45. And here also it's saying set does not support item assignment. That means it cannot change values. And in type we can append, pop, in list we can append, pop and do many things. I'll say list or L dot. We'll wait for some. See, we got append, clear, copy. We can count, extend. We can insert. We can pop. We can remove. We can do many things. But in tuple, let's say T dot. We can only count and index. So it doesn't have all the things which list has. Let's check of set. Oh, S dot. We can add, clear, copy, discard. Then we can pop and remove. So set also has many things, but a bit different than list. So these are the differences of set, list and tuple. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. So till that, bye bye.